our farm method.
The 5L40E series of transmissions is in a variety of vehicles globally. This series of transmissions has caused a great deal of concern regarding molded drum piston installation. Here we see a factory installation tool to accomplish this task. The tool is difficult to get in certain parts of the planet. LubeGuard Corporation has available generic, cut-to-fit installation cones and a spray with a two-step process called Seal Easy, which eases installation and is readily available and cost effective. Now we're going into the shop to take you through the assembly process. Hang tight, guys, this is going to help you. Here we have 5L40E molded pistons from Piston International. Complete kits packaged in a blister pack. Like this. Be very careful removing them from the blister pack. A lot of guys are damaging the seals, taking the blister pack apart with a razor blade. Use a lot of caution taking this off of here. When you have the piston in your hand, like this, closely inspect the piston. Make sure that the rubber wasn't damaged in shipping. Make sure it's clean, no debris on it. You also have the Seal Easy spray, which is a two-step process, which is sprayed on the piston. Once you have applied the Seal Easy spray to the molded piston and let it sit for a few seconds, gently install the molded piston into the cone. Install the cone into the drum, making sure it's seated down all the way in the drum. Install the piston and gently apply pressure to install the piston and seat it fully. Once the piston is installed in the drum, do a close visual inspection to make sure the piston is seated all the way in the drum smoothly with no damage to it. These are the factory installation tools for the 5L40E molded pistons manufactured by Kentmore Products. Notice the quality of the installation tool. These are very expensive. Once again, doing a lot of 5L40E rebuilds. Highly recommended to have this set. These are the 5L40E piston installation cones available from LubeGuard Products. Easily available globally. Very inexpensive and seriously aid in the ease of installation of the 5L40E molded pistons. Okay guys, that's it from the shop today on the 5L40E piston installation tips. We really hope this aids you in putting this job together and getting it out the door. Thanks a lot. Check back with us again. Coming right to you from the shop. We hope you've enjoyed today's technical training video. I got to go on a road test right now, so we'll see you guys around.